Hey everyone, what's up? Becca here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel so that you're notified whenever I release any future videos. But today we are just going to be doing a quick little chat about zipper tape or zipper by the yard, and I'm just going to kind of tell you what it's all about and how to use it, how to add your zipper pull, and how to add the stoppers. But it's really simple, and it's actually a really cool thing to have in your sewing toolbox for whenever you may need a zipper. So let's get right into it. All right, let's first talk about zipper tape and what it is. So basically this is just an extremely long zipper. Sometimes it's called zipper by the yard or endless zippers, but you can see here this one is like probably 2 yards of zippers. You can buy it by like 50 yards. I bought this pack. It was a bundle. It came in 5 colors, I believe, and it was 3 yards of each color. So I have a bunch of them. There's all kinds of different colors of that. And these are the, I believe, number 3 size. So it's a little bit of a smaller zipper tooth, where they also have the number 5 that you can get. They have some really fun ones that are like rainbow and all kinds of things, but they come with your zipper, and then they come with a pack of zipper pulls and stoppers, and they coordinate with your zipper. And so what you do is, I'm going to be using white. I already cut my piece to size. You just measure it, take your scissors and cut it where you need it, which is what's so great about this, is you're not having to shorten zippers. If you need a really long zipper, it can be really hard to find it, or if you just need, only a couple inches, you don't have to waste a long zipper. So there's all kinds of benefits to using zipper tape, but I cut mine. I needed a 24-inch one, so this is pretty long to begin with. All you have to do is get your zipper stopper onto your zipper. So what I like to do is I like to come up to the top and I just pull it apart just a little bit, about 1/2 inch. And excuse my hand, sorry, I've been painting and I can't get it off. But I cut off on one side, it doesn't matter which side, about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, just a little bit to make the ends uneven. And then you're going to take your zipper pull, which I have here, and we're going to use the side that is more rounded. It kind of looks like it's pointing down. And you can see here's the top of it where it's kind of flattens out and is skinnier. And down here it's a little wider and fatter. So what you're going to do is I'm going to hold it like this with this side, and then I'm going to just slide one side of my zipper pull onto the top of my zipper tape, and then where it's still separated, I'm going to put my zipper tape into my pull and then just kind of work it until get it in there, and voila. So now I would pull it all the way up, and then this would become my bottom of my zipper, and then I pull the tab up here, and then I would just separate this at the top, and you just don't want to pull it too hard, otherwise you have to start over. But then now I have my zipper. It also comes with little metal stoppers. Typically they come with these. I don't think all packs do, but depending on what you're making, that might be one thing you want to look at. But so I could take this then down here and just stick it through, and then you fold it around the back, and that keeps your zipper from popping off. And then they have smaller ones to use on each side like this, just like your zippers are for when you buy a standard zipper. Like this one's plastic, but you can see there's a stopper down here, and then up at the top are stoppers as well. But so then that's all you do, and then your zipper is ready to go and use in your project. And then you have a whole bunch of zipper and zipper pulls left to use in other projects. That's really all that is to it. just cut your zipper to length, put your tab on, put your stoppers on if needed, and you have a new custom sized zipper, which is like the best part about it. And then you don't have to have, 85 different sizes of zippers in a drawer in different colors. But I will put a link to the zipper tapes that I have purchased down in the description so you can check them out. And I know I talked about how there's some fun ones. I'll put a couple links to those as well in the description there. And if you have any other questions about using the zipper tape, feel free to leave a comment down below, or you can find me on Instagram. It's at Soapbex, BEXX, and you can always reach out to me there. Thanks for watching. Bye.